Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Jira Software mobile app for sprint updates. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To download the Jira Software mobile app for sprint updates, start by unlocking your smartphone. Open the App Store if you are using an iPhone. If you are using an Android device, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar at the top of the screen, type Jira Software. Tap the search icon or hit enter to begin your search. Locate the official Jira Software app in the search results. Ensure that the app is published by Atlassian for authenticity. For iPhone users, tap the Get button to download the app. For Android users, tap the Install button. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, open the Jira Software app. You'll be prompted to log in to your Atlassian account. Enter your email address and password to access your Jira projects. If you don't have an account, follow the on-screen instructions to create one. After logging in, you'll be able to view your projects and sprints. Navigate to your dashboard to check for updates on your current sprint. Use the app's features to manage tasks and communicate with your team on the go. You're now ready to stay updated with your sprint directly from your mobile device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.